Hello my friends, my name is Evgeny Trofimov. I'm a co-founder of ZSO company. Our company is engaged in the production of equipment for manufacturing screw spirals. With such equipment, we are able to manufacture screw spirals of any geometry. Our equipment is capable of producing screw spirals that have the widths from 2 to 50 millimeters. For example, this screw conveyor has been manufactured directly on our equipment. I also want to mention that our equipment has absolutely no restrictions in terms of screw geometry. Outer and inside diameter of the screw conveyor are unlimited. And if to be honest, we were even manufacturing screw spirals with a diameter of 3 meters. Our equipment easily coped even with the screw spirals of such diameter. But there is a small restriction. This restriction is related to the height of the flange. The height of the flange equals the height of this piece of metal. Maximum flange height that can be produced with our equipment is 700 millimeters. In other words, you can produce spiral screws of this height. So you can imagine screw spirals of what geometry can be produced on our machine tool. There are practically no restrictions. It is quite simple to operate this type of equipment. There is the software bundled with our equipment, in which you simply indicate the parameters of the final geometry of a spiral that you want to get, which are outer diameter, inside diameter, width of the workpiece, pitch, and certainly steel grade. Our software will provide you with a DXF file for further cutting with plasma or laser cutters relative to specified spiral geometry. Once your screw spirals are cut with plasma or laser cutting, you will need to set up the machine tool. Our software will also show you what kind of tooling you need to select for its installation into the matrix, and we have each attachment marked, and the program will show you the specific marking of the tooling that you need to install into the matrix, specifically for your screw spiral. It's quite simple. Then the program will tell you what parameters you need to enter into the CNC of the machine tool in order to get the correct geometry of the screw. Our machine tools are equipped with the CNC produced by Siemens company. After setting up your machine tool and cutting your workpieces with laser or plasma, you just need to put your workpiece into the matrix in the following way. And by pressing the pedal on your machine tool, form screw spirals. As a result, you will get such nice spirals that will have perfect geometry and will be identical to each other. It will take only 10 minutes to reconfigure your machine tool for another kind of geometry for your screw spirals. You will also need to enter our program, set new parameters for your spiral, and our program will tell you how you need to reconfigure your machine tool for another kind of geometry. The output of our equipment is 500 screw conveyor segments per one working shift. Dear friends, our equipment is in demand literally all over the world. Our equipment has been shipped to the South America, Europe and Asia. We've got a huge number of positive feedback on the performance of our equipment. There will be a link in the description below, by following which you will be able to watch video reviews on the performance of our equipment. Dear friends, according to our tradition, we are launching a cool promotion action before the New Year's Eve. Before the end of 2020, we are ready to offer you to purchase our equipment with a discount, attention, minus 20%. And we are also ready to offer you commissioning works as a gift. It means that our specialist will come to your production site and train your operator to work with this equipment. Dear friends, I forgot to tell you about the main thing. At the moment, such equipment is available at our warehouse in the amount of 5 units. It means that in addition to the 20% discount and free commissioning from our company, you can also purchase this equipment now. And you don't need to wait for a month or two until it is assembled for you on your order. You will have to make a prepayment, we will make a contract with you, and this equipment will be shipped to you within 3 to 5 days. I think it is super cool. You don't have to wait, the equipment will arrive at your production site within a week. There are only 5 units of this equipment left, so seize the opportunity, be in time for ordering our equipment by the end of this year, and let's cooperate. Thanks for your attention, bye!